Hello Benizens and welcome back to my channel. I'm gineerbens. So by the way, if you are new to this channel creates a video tutorial on building construction related videos. If so happen that you're looking for those type of content, feel free to consider subscribing my channel. You can tap that notifications bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong bagong upload katulad na lang ng video na ito. So by the way, yung video natin for today ay very short lang kasi I'd like to inform you about sa threshold. So ito ay napaka-importante dahil kung ikaw ay investor or nagta-target ka ng mga mid-rise building, ito ay sobrang laking discount. So in the case of SMDC is meron po tayo mga mid-rise buildings such as Bloom Residence, Calm Residence, located to sa Laguna, itong Calm. Meron tayong Charm Residences, Field Residences, Glade na nasa Bacolod. Meron din tayong Hill Residences and Hope Residences and Joy. Actually, sobrang dami pang mga pwede nating pag-investan na mga mid-rise building. So why I am talking about mid-rise building simply because meron po tayong na-receive na meron po tayong na-receive na revenue regulations from the BIR number 1 2024. So ito po ay sobrang nakakatulong as I always say. Ito po ay isa sa mga regulation na nag-state to implement the adjustment of the selling price threshold of the sale of house on lot and other residential dwellings for value added tax exemption purpose. So basically, to make the story short, kaya kinonsider ko yung mga mid-rise build, meron po tayong mga mid-rise building na nag-worth lang din po siya ng 3.5 pababa or even 3.6 pababa. Why I say that? It's because if you know before, yung ating threshold for VAT exemption is 3,199,200. So, yun po yung ating value na VAT exemption siya. Pero for now, dahil sa regulation na ito po ay na-adjust na. So, adjusted amount. Taken into account the Consumer Price Index value of 2023 as published by PSA, the new price threshold for sale of house and lot and other residential dwellings for VAT exemption purpose rounded into 3,600,000. So that's very good news po dahil nag-increase na po tayo ng threshold from 3.199,200 to 3.6. Kasi basically, the same with basic commodity, yung mga prices natin ay nag-increase. So the same way goes din sa ating condominium unit, even if it increases their selling prices, but still at least you will have 3.6 million threshold para VAT, consider ka pa rin na VAT exempted. So, yun, malaking discount din po yan kasi remember, yung VAT natin sa Pilipinas ay 12%. What is 12%? Sobrang laki na po yan. I hope that it gives you somehow good news dahil at least mataas na yung ating threshold when it comes to VAT exemption. And take note na ito po ay effective already noong January ng this year 2024. So at least remember na VAT exempted kayo pag yung property na bibili nyo ay worth ng 3.6 million lamang pababa. So I guess that's it for this episode. I hope that you learned something out from this video. If you do, please do consider subscribing my channel. You can tap that notifications bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong bagong upload katulad na lang ng video na ito. So I guess that's it for this episode. Have a great day and God bless. Bye!